What happened to him? Why are you carrying him like that?
Help me.
Why are you carrying him like that now? What is it?
We saw him on the farm. He fainted.
Papa. What happened to him?
He fainted at the farm.
And what caused it?
I don't know.
Hey! Papa, don't do this to us, please. Open your eyes. Hey. Go and get water. Go and get water quickly. Go and get water. What do I do? Give me a meme. What do I do?
Madam, sorry.
What is this now? What is this?
No worry, madam, I go please. I don't know what they do. It's a small thing.
Hey, Papa, please. Open now. Mama. Oh. Mama, Papa is no longer breathing. No. What? We have to take him to the hospital. Papa. See. Papa. See. Bele. Run now. Go and call your brothers. Run. Wake him. Call them. Run. Go and call your brothers. Also. Please, Ajono. Help me bring foam, get rid of my so that he can be comfortable while your husband and his brother comes. Mama, please, I don't need any disturbance. Biko, Rapmaka, can't you see I'm busy? I don't want to. Mom, Biko, now help me carry him inside. You see, no, careful. Okay. Ajurutuku, why are you this mean? Why are you this wicked? What have we done to you in this family that you treat us this way? Your son has done everything wrong to have gotten married to me, brought me into this family, only for me to suffer. I'm tired of the suffering. Of course, Maka, continue. Thank you, one. Thank you. Nah. Don't do this now, Onoche. What is this?
No worry, it will be done in no
No worry, I ain't go kill you for this. That is what we kill you. You've been saying this same thing for 30 minutes now. And I've been standing under the scorching sun.
This is my
You
bike.
are not serious.
Wait.
I can see that.
Wait. Give me my money then. If you cannot wait, give me my money.
Which money? You did not take me to my destination. I am close to where I am going to. So let me just go there.
You just said you're close to the place, which means you're almost...
I said don't touch me again.
Give me my money, madam, I beg. I don't want trouble.
Well, I cannot give you any money because you don't have any...
You're not going to try them! You cannot try. You cannot do what? I'll carry you all the way to this place and you tell me you cannot try it.
I should try it.
Money. What is it? I did not do anything to her.
He touched my bag.
Why do you want to rape this girl now? Can you believe what this girl is saying? I carried her on my bike all the way from the express to this place. And she told me that where she's going is close because the bike is spoiled. Let her give me the money for the one I carried her. She said she will not.
He carried me to this place with his bike as doing zoom. He now finally stopped here. He now wanted to rape me.
Hey! Oh no, don't touch her. Don't touch her.
Thank you.
What is wrong with you? This girl is a thief. Did you take her to the... I'm not sure. Must you spoil your bike? Is this what you've been doing with this girl?
Must you spoil your bike?
Okay, let's go. Take someone to where she's going to. Okologo, man. Only for you to just grab him and no.
So you have made this girl run away with my money. Is that what you are saying?
If you come close to us now, you will see what we will do to you. Come here. No.
Muhammad, take it. This girl is he can make complete.
I'm not telling that girl. Don't show me again.
He is not a bad man. He lent you money to solve your problem. How is he a bad man? Yes, because he's doing his business.
He's a bad man. I want your interest in it. There is interest on the money. So, for the fact there is interest, he should leave the person. When the person gets the money, the person will pay him back. I'm interested in it. So why is he rushing somebody? Arresting people with police? Let him try you with me. I will swallow him alive. He will not even dare.
Everyone in this village, Anya will know him like that. If he didn't borrow you that money, like he's a bad man. This is his business, Anya. All business, yeah.
On one day, why are you defending Chief like this? Don't make me to stop coming here. Hey! Who am I seeing? Behold my second life. Hey! The love of my soul. The soul of my soul. Baby LIAH.
Anya, please stop this, eh? I'm not in the mood for this now. Odiche, well done.
No. I'm totally
I've been waiting for you here. For you to come here now and let your for you to come here now, your face is like bad market. Eh? Tell me what is Odiche? You know her brand. Forward it. I have money. Or in fact, bring up. You like this one? I've been waiting for you here. Eh? What is it?
God. What kind of suffering is this? Why is it that every day I get into one problem or the other with this motorcycle? Eh? Is this what I'm going to do and make it in this life?
Brother.
Ogini. What is it?
Thank God I met you here.
What is it, Ebele?
Papa.
Papa?
Papa is dying, no.
Dying? How? What happened to Papa?
2 boys, they brought him back from the farm. They said he fainted.
Chineke?
We have tried to revive him with water, but he's still not breathing.
Are you sure? I'm coming. Let's go there now. Yes?
Are you going to leave your bike here?
I'll come for it later. Come.
Steal it all. Okay. Let me look for Brother Yao.
Oh yeah, take it. Take it. Oh yeah, take it.
I don't want. I can't.
Take it. This is love. This is love.
You don't know, you cannot be, you must be in the mood for love. Eh? Nobody rejects love. I've told you to smile. Smile for me. Eh?
Anya, I still can't smile. Eh? How do you want me to smile when family problem wants to kill me?
Hey.
I can't smile.
Hold on. Take it. This is called shut up. It is called worry not. Weep no more. Keep that one. Kanaga.
Anya, where did you get this from?
How can you ask Anya where he got money from? You know I'm a hustler. I hustle and make money. Eh? Listen.
This is my own pay. You know we did job for Uncle Bego. When he was building his house. He had decided to pay the youths. So he sent the money to the community bank. I'm just coming from there. That's why I called and say, come and meet me here. There is more money from where this one came from.
This is good. Now I can smile.
Brother, this is it. You can give me a kiss for this. Hey, yes, sir. Oh yeah. Sip.
Oh, okay.
This is what is called romantic.
I don't want to give you meat.
Wait, let me give you meat. It is called romantic.
Odiche, pack more meat for us.
Anya!
Pack more meat.
My favorite customer.
Pack more meat. Get your bag. Go and fry more.
Hey!
Fry more meat. Anya is able and capable to make my girlfriend smile. Your trouble is going today. You see, when we are finished here, we'll go and discuss that trouble. If that trouble gives you trouble again, I will trouble you.
What is all this again? Mama, why did you allow Papa go to the farm again now?
I didn't allow him go. I knew he wasn't feeling well. He's not fit to do any farm work. That was why I said he shouldn't go, but he insisted. Is he not gonna ask him? He wouldn't listen to me.
Papa, now Papa looking was sometimes in now. Let's see what's all this. Baby.
Onochi,
Baby.
I need money to fix them.
But you can see what we have at hand now. This is if I go to Nakaketa Demba.
You didn't get what, Sam? What is my business? I'm telling you that my nails are bad. Now, Semo, please solve your problems and solve my own. I am your wife. I need money to fix my nails. That's what I just said. And I'm waiting for you to bring the money inside.
Okay. Mama, what do we do now? Because I don't have it. My bike spoiled. I parked it along the road before coming back.
It is because of that. What do we do? Was the reason I sent for you and your brother. So you cannot come back here to begin to ask me what do we do. You are the man here. Do something. They will say good meal. No.
Let me see. Baby.
What is it?
It's my father. It's my father. My father is dying.
How?
He fainted at the farm and they brought him back home.
He fainted at the farm? How come? Who sent Ini Edo to the farm when he has not recovered from the last treatment?
I don't know. We didn't even know when he left. You have to go and help them. Please, he's no longer breathing.
Don't talk like that. Don't talk like that.
Just go and help them. Let me look for my brother.
Please now, don't do this to me.
Leave me alone.
Please now.
What is wrong with you? Leave me alone. If you don't want to give me the money, you better take your father to the hospital. I will get the money my own way.
Don't talk like this. You know I love you so much and I want to give you anything. But I don't have it now. See, this is all I have. 1,300 naira.
Give it to me.
Please.
I'm not happy with you. I mean, I am not happy with this thing called marriage. I am not happy. From one suffering to the other.
Don't worry.
This
will be better.
You say your money is how much?
5,000.
This is your money. Eh? Now, I'm on money. This is what I'm for dash. Who is the money?
I
am in money. Nobody is richer than me in this village.
I know it. I know that one day you will make us proud. I know you will make it.
Yes, very soon.
In this village.
You see me?
Hi.
By the time I marry my angel, I'm leaving this village.
Hi.
You will see me in the city cruising. By the time I get to the city, there is a friend of mine in the city. He's looking for a husband.
Hi.
Wife. I will get you a
my favorite customer.
As for OGBUAGU,
Hi.
he will not marry you. He doesn't have money.
I know.
You see what I have spent here.
Oh.
How many men can spend it in this village? If they try it, they will go bankrupt. As for my baby, my second life. Once I see you, even if I die, once I die like this, Anyanwu is dead. People will be crying, hey, Anyanwu is dead, Anyanwu is dead. And my angel will come. What you hear is, Talita, kum, kule, no sugar, bego. That's what people there will say. Anyanwu kule, no sugar, bego. Talita, that's the meaning of Talita, kum. See, let me tell you, I have given you money before. I'm not going to count it. That one is passable. You see this one now? I don't have to count it. Take it. It is yours. To show you that I have moment of cash. When I love somebody, I love that person. Straight ahead. Focus.
Well, thank you so much, but this is not my problem now.
Yeah. This is the first time I'm hearing a woman complaining after having money. Bunch of money. Any problem that is beyond money is demonic. I have not seen that problem before. That is beyond money. That problem is demonic. Tell me, what is it? I'm going to solve it. I have told you that any trouble that trouble you, I will trouble that trouble. Talk to me. Huh? Did I hear you well? Adiche, do you have radio here?
If not, I will say that it's the radio that is speaking. Are you the one that said this thing? Hey! Jesus, ONYEDIKA, eh? I should think about this. This is the highest news I have ever heard in my life. You are pregnant for me. Oniche, are you with us?
Yeah, I know.
My woman is pregnant for me and you want me? Are you not proud of me? Onafa, Chineke. Are you not proud of me? My woman is pregnant for me. Oniche, you know what I mean?
I know.
I'm coming with you. Hey, what?
All my brothers, all my children, I want to join my ancestors.
Papa, stop talking this kind of talk now. Because now you are not going anywhere. You are not joining anybody. You'll be fine.
Edo, did I do anything wrong to you? You know I love you very much. Don't make me a widow. Don't do this to me.
Nothing will happen to me.
Aloje, let us carry him out.
Please, stop now. Why are you? I'm sorry that I shouted. It is why I was so happy that I need to shout.
Why do you have to? Something I was telling you calmly. You know, Dikeh, she can gossip. Before evening now, the whole village will know. That is one thing I don't like about you. Why are you so loud?
That is my nature. It is my nature that I am too loud. After all, both of us, we are going to become parents very soon. We are expecting a child. We are going to become a man and wife. So why won't you be happy?
I am not happy. We don't have money. Your brother does not have money. Your father does not have money. As well as mine. How do you expect me to be happy? Not happy.
Don't worry. Money will come very soon. Very soon money will come. At least let's have this child. I have this one first. Let's get this one first. That one is one.
Brother, you have to come.
What is it? What is it?
Papa is dying.
What happened to him?
They brought him back home. He's no longer breathing.
Hey, have you called his first son? Onochie?
Yes, brother is at home, but Mama wants to see you too.
What is Mama wanting to see me? Onochie is there. Am I a medical doctor? Am I the one that will make Papa to get up? Please, you people should go home. I have pressing issue here that I'm trying to solve. I don't want disturbance now.
Brother, so talking to her is more important than your own father, Abi? Brother, please come now.
If I slap you now, you go home and start fighting with your father. What is all this thing? Go home and tell your father, Talita Kum. He will get up. Are you crazy?
It's okay, just
you
go
silly. Don't worry, I'll come to the house, please. Don't mind this. Don't mind. I'll slap you. Go home, you silly. Tie it. Nonsense. Baby, go home. I'll come, Hey.
Brother, leave this girl. Let's go now.
If I slap you now, you join your father in painting competition. Rubbish. Baby, I'll come to the house. Bro, this is a very pressing issue now. This is more important than my father. My father, if you want to die, let him die. So that my baby will resurrect. What is all this thing? I will do. Don't worry.
I told you this thing. That the next time I will come to your house, I will get you arrested. You must pay my money.
By next week, we will settle you.
Today, you must sleep in the police station.
What is the chief? Just that a little money I borrowed from him. That is why he brought me here and named public assault.
I told your father, if you don't pay my money today, he must sleep in the station. I told him, I warned him.
No, Chief, please, I have some money with me. Let me.
My daughter has the money. Settle all. Met over my public assault.
Just let him some money.
How much is that?
It's 20,000 naira.
Let me see it.
Hey, hold him tight. Hold him.
No, he has given you money.
You should leave him now. Is he your mate? Leave him alone now. He's counting the money.
This week.
This is 20,000. You are owing me 80,000. This is 20,000. It remains 60,000.
Next week.
Your father's, the money he's owing me remains 60,000. Go and look for 60,000. When you get 60,000, come and bury your father in the station. When you get it, when you are collecting the money,
Mama, you don't have to worry. Papa will be fine. Eh? Papa will be fine, definitely. I will assure you that.
Hey, brother, why don't you go to the hospital to see them instead of sitting here?
Mama, why your daughter? What is it? What is it? Why do you like to tell me what I will do and what I will not do? Are you my commander? Take your time, oh. Eh? Are you my commander? Take time, oh.
Brother, what about the money you went to collect this morning? Bring it out now.
Mama, tell your daughter to watch her tongue. Tell your daughter to watch her tongue before I wash it for her. What is it your money? The money I went to bring, is it your money? Or did you ask me if I bring the money at all? And you're not commanding me to bring money? Am I the first son of this family, after all? Am I the first son? Your brother is already there in the hospital. What do you want me to go there and do? Am I the doctor? Eh? Papa should stay, Papa will be fine and you will come back here.
Oh, buri iwu si na enwere onye ga-eweta ego. Asi na oji ego kwa nna. Obrodi okpara agburu. Nwa, if you have money to sort these things out, go ahead and do it. Meanwhile, go and bring your brother's motorcycle. He left it at LIAH when it's spoiled. If you don't want to go to the hospital and see what is happening there, you can stay here. Eh? Manaburi eburu nanti. Know it now that if anything should happen to your father, you and your brother will suffer it more.
Are you threatening me with Papa's illness or Papa's death? Am I the one that push him down? What is all this thing now?
Brother, go now.
What do you mean, sister? Sister, what are you doing here? I will slap you now. You sin. Huh? What did I do here? Am I the first son? Why is everybody commanding me as if Mama, even people want to tell me anything, you beg me. Hey. Nobody should command me. I'm not the first son here, I'm the second son. What is all this thing? Eh? If you want me to go and bring motorcycle, you beg me. After I'm not the first son here, I'm the second son. Second son should not suffer. My own is to stay and be happy. Nobody should worry me in this family. What is all this thing? And take your time. Take your time.
You can't bring your brother's motorcycle now. Go and bring it now. Mama, speak about it.
Mama, stop saying go and the way you are saying go and bring it. As if you are commander-in-chief.
Brother, please go. This is not a type of...
After all, I'm not the first son in this family. I'm not the first son. So the first son should carry all the load. Let me relax and enjoy myself.
Onochi, why do you people allow him to go to the farm after all my instructions?
I did not let him go to the farm. As a matter of fact, I wasn't even at home when he left. What do we do now?
Onochi, I'm afraid to tell you this time that your father's health is at a critical stage right now. And if something is not done, we might lose him.
My God,
yes.
No, we cannot lose him. Oh.
Doctor, please. Whatever you can do to save him, please do it. I am on my knees, please.
Doctor, please.
Please.
Onochi, I don't think we have the resources here to treat him. Yes, we don't have that resources that can get him back on his feet right now. But I think we have drugs that we can administer to him. I think it will sustain him. When he gets better, I will refer him to the teaching hospital where he will get a proper treatment.
Is it that serious?
It is.
He will not die.
Onochi, stop crying. Just go and get 40,000 naira. 40,000 naira, I think I will do something.
Hey! 40,000?
Where will I see 40,000 in this one? What is this?
Onochi, just have to buy it from me. Just buy it.
Hey! Papa, you will not die and leave us. You will not die and leave us.
Yay! Onye come for the fast.
Oh, go no do. Hey! You're looking all beautiful.
Thank you.
Hey, you ever happy? One more drop, one more.
I'm so sorry. But look at you. Onochie is really taking good care of you.
Akuko na-egwu. Nebiko rapi ife de na moto banye na moto. I am the one taking good care of myself. I am suffering, no. Jennifer, I am suffering in that marriage. There is nothing I have not done. At this time, I am tired. If there's a way I can leave this village, then I will.
Ajolo, remember when I told you not to get married to him? You were looking at, oh wow, he's a fine guy. Now take a good look at yourself. How many years you cannot even tell? Look at you.
What would I have done? He told me to calm down, that everything will be fine. But as the day goes by, things got worse. You know, I just believe that my family has serious spiritual problem. Because there's nothing I have not tried. I even got so angry that I started insulting my husband. Started calling him names. Because I wanted him to chase me out of the house. He refused. All he does is to love me and worship me. I'm even tired of it.
Love die by fire. Holy Ghost fire. Now love we go chop. Love without money is rubbish. Babadash. Rubbish. Look, let me tell you something. There are some men that leaves their wife in the village and go to hustle. So you can do the same. You have to be the man. You will go to the city and leave your husband in the village. Hustle and be the boss. Take care of your business. Clean him up. Follow me to the city. Let me, hit you up with some, 1 or 2. You'll be fine.
Moche will not agree.
Anyway, I'm going to Onine's salon. I want to go and see her. I have a special package for her.
Maybe I don't have a destination. If I can come with you, I would like it.
You want to come with me? You look like someone that likes special package.
Why? What are you talking about? Who doesn't like good things? My girl. By the time I package you, you will package me. When I package you, everything will just be other one.
This motorcycle, who Ray-Ban this family? Eh? Onochie has refused to use you to make big money. Yet, now they get a problem. If I refuse to come here now, they will say, I am a troublemaker. It's your life. I'm not seeing well. My angel, is it you I'm seeing?
It's me.
What is it? Who beat you?
Oh, nobody beat me. After I left here on getting home, I met Chief Alusego with his policeman, arresting my father because of the money he's owing him.
Eh? My father-in-law? It will not happen. Not when I'm alive. You cannot finish. Hey! In fact, don't worry. Where did they take him to?
He took him to the police station. Even after I gave him the money you gave me, he still would not leave him. And I will please tell me, know my condition, please.
Listen. Go home. Go home, I'm going to fight this thing. Leave this fight for me alone. I'll fight it. Who is Alusiego?
No, it's not a matter of going home. All he wants now is his money. He will not leave me. It's not a matter of fighting. Just get this money for me. Please.
How much is the money? How much?
It's 60,000. I told you before now. Please help. If you love me, please help me find this money. Please. Help, please. My father cannot sleep in the police station.
My girlfriend is crying. I cannot do anything. No. You know what? I'll get you the money. Just go home now. Let me go and get the money. Yes. Go home and wait for me. You will see me right now. You will see Anyamu with money. Go. Just go. Just go. Let me go out.
I don't want my father to sleep in the police station.
Your father is coming out now.
Are you sure?
Your father is coming out now.
Mama, you don't have to worry. I believe that Papa will be fine.
Joa. What a world. Who would have believed that we'll be living in this kind of abject poverty at this time of our lives? Almighty Onudo became a pauper overnight. Now the wife of his first son will not allow us peace. All in the name of poverty.
The lack of money is the source of many pains. Osika, osika, ukubanyenego, ifunanyana, imanu biamajoka, onyo bunanacho, kaye tinye nono, tinye napa, ijego, osika, ijego.
Mama, there's trouble.
Is he dead?
Mama, there's trouble.
He's dead.
We need to look for money. He's not dead, but we need to look for money. So
what do we do?
I don't know. We need to look for money. That is my own. Wife, easy. I'm hungry because I'm fainting.
You know, go and get food for your brother. Okay. Put food for him. I just thank God he's alive.
It's so good, Mama. So we need money. We need money in Ketan Kechi. Anyhow, we need money.
Papa! What is it now? Papa. You just woke me from this beautiful dream I was dreaming.
Papa, you won't believe what Osita told me now.
Osita?
Yes, Papa. Papa.
What did he tell you?
Hey, Papa, Osita said that my brother, Odira, was seen in Lagos. And he's now a rich man.
Which kind of thing is this now? Huh? Are you out of your mind? I mean, this hot afternoon, why are you playing pranks on me? Huh? No, don't let my BP go up again. What is this now?
Papa, I'm not joking, no. Osita said he's coming here. He's coming to inform you that your son is alive and not dead. Hey, God, Papa. Oh.
No. What are you trying to tell me?
Hey.
That they saw my son, Odira, and that he's alive?
Yes, Papa.
Wait, okay, where is Osita now?
Papa, don't worry. Osita is coming. He said he's coming now. He's coming to you. I'm telling you, Papa. He's coming now. Don't worry. Hey, Papa. Papa, I'm so happy. Papa, my brother is alive. Papa, I can't wait to see my brother. Papa, I can't wait to see my brother.
Onochi, where do we get such an amount of money from?
I don't know, Mama. Even if we have to borrow, we have to go and borrow. Else, Papa will die.
Hey.
Let me finish this food first. Uche says it's coming, so we'll talk about it.
Thank God, there is food. There is food at home.
I know, you didn't come back with the bike.
I did not see it.
What?
I did not see the motorcycle. I went there and looked for it everywhere. I searched it even inside the bush. I went inside the bush, I jumped inside. All the nooks and crannies of that area. I searched. I did not see it.
What kind of talk is killed Yokubu this one? Motorcycle that I backed myself when it got spoiled. Can I see me?
Mama, did I have eyeglass? I don't have eyeglass. I went there. I'm telling you that I went there. Even people were looking at me as if I was a mad person. I was looking around, searching everywhere, clearing the bushes. I did not see the motorcycle. What will I do? I said, let me come back and report to you so that you can go and look for it by yourself.
Does it mean it has been stolen or something?
Stolen? Who would steal a bike that does not move? Or maybe park here at that place, whatever. And then were you sure what you're saying?
I wonder. I was wondering that same thing. Bike maybe. Who would have stolen it? I said, there's no point standing there.
If I don't go back and call my corner this bike, let me go and find out what.
Go and. No. Mama, there's no point.
Let me go. I'm not going to find out. Even this boy, I'd rather.
Rush. Look very well. Mama, let me finish the food for him. Search for it everywhere so that you will see it. Mama, what is it? Me that have been there looking for motorcycle. I did not. Would I eat? Huh? Mama, if I Fanta for this motorcycle, if I Fanta, you mail me.
Osita, do you really mean what you're saying?
Papa, you know I cannot lie to you now. I cannot just come here and be saying what I don't know. Odera, your son, is not a millionaire. He's not a rich man. But the problem now is that nobody knows how to reach him. They just saw him there and knew more about him.
Papa, I told you. I know. Papa, all we have to do now is for you to pray harder. Papa, you need to make him come back. Oh. Ha.
Hey! Chineke. God, Dalu, you are still on your throne. But please still do one thing for me, God. Let my son come back home safely. Please complete this in my life. Make my life complete by sending my son back. Let him come home. Hey, God, thank you. Thank you, God. Hey. Odira.
Papa, don't worry. He will still come back. But who will believe that after 10 years of disappearing, Odira is still alive?
Papa, I have these strong feelings, yes. I know that my brother Odira is not there. My brother is alive, Papa. Look, all we have to do now, you, Papa, is for you to make him come back. Odira needs to come back, Papa.
God, thank you. Thank you, God. Hey. Thank you. Thank you.
I'm sure this is where I kept that motorcycle. What could have happened to my motorcycle ever? Because an amazing Nanya. Hey, Bia. John, where did you keep the motorcycle? Eh? Where did you keep the motorcycle you took away from here?
Onoche, what is wrong with you? Give me my money.
I'm going crazy, eh? If you don't tell me where that motorcycle is now, I'll kill you.
Bonye lesele ya. Onoche, I'm back aqua.
You don't listen that bike.
You
don't listen machine.
I'm going to go aqua.
Can I listen machine?
This clothes.
Can you listen? Hey, what a Ay! What a bobo! Look at the lalo!
Gods of our forefathers, I thank you. I thank you for this wonderful news you brought to my household today. It's indeed a great miracle. I beg you to complete the miracle by bringing my son back from wherever he is. Drink! My wife died out of heartbreak because we thought we lost our son. But here we are today. You have performed a great miracle in my household. I beg of you to please complete this miracle by bringing back my son from wherever he is. If you perform this miracle for me, I will kill for you a very fat goat. Drink, my ancestors. Thank you, because I know you have done it. Drink. Hi.
Papa, so this is going to be true?
It's not going to be true. It is true. I mean, the way Osita brought the news, I have every reason to believe that it is true. And that is why I've given drink to our ancestors. And I've promised them a very fat goat if my son returns. And I know he will. I'll drink myself.
Yes, Papa. I know. I believe the story. I know that my brother Osita is alive. I know that he's not dead. Look, Papa, all we have to do now is for us to pray harder. For him to come back to us, especially now he's a rich man, Papa.
Papa, is this real? Or is this a dream? So Dera, my brother, is alive.
He's alive, oh. He's alive. Ha. In fact, I can feel it. I can feel it. I can breathe it.
I've said my own. If by tomorrow he does not provide that motorcycle, I will lock him.
Oh no, Chi, how are you sure he was the one that took your motorcycle?
I am sure, Mama. What would a small boy like that be doing with 45,000 naira? I don't trust boys of this village. I know what they can do.
But even at that, you shouldn't have beaten him the way you did.
A bit about himself.
You should have either reported him to the police or to his family instead. Now you want us to be into more trouble than we already were.
There is no cause for alarm, Mama. We are not getting into any trouble. There is no trouble we are getting into. Because Muhammad forfeited that bike because of 45,000. Where is Ebere?
She has gone to the hospital. I'll soon go there to meet her.
It's okay, Mama. Don't worry. Papa will be fine. You go. I'm sure nothing will happen to him. It's okay. That boy, tell my bike, call you with my bike. If you give me that boy, police will enter this matter. We might come now this one. Okay, we'll talk about that bike. Go.
But you should have thought about this before beating him.
Why would I beat him?
Check what you are pricing, boss. Check what you are pricing. Eh? This bike is more than that. Add money. Eh? Very clean. This motorcycle is not as old as you think. Oh. Eh? Eh? Look at it. Look at it. With the sound cover. New sound cover. Still have sound cover. New brake pad. This is my phone.
That is what I have. Understand? If you sell it, let me give you the money. Now.
Boss, 30,000 naira is very small.
You will give me receipt, oh.
Receipt?
Yes, now you will give me receipt now.
Eh? See, let me tell you. If you want to... my phone is... Don't worry, my phone is...
Give me receipt.
Listen, if you want receipt, I can go home now and get receipt and give you. But you buy it 80,000.
How can I buy this bike 80,000? Just look at the bike, old bike.
The bike is not old as you think. It is
This bike is old. Look at it now. That's what I have. Oh. If you collect it, let me pay you and go.
Bros, add it something. Add it something. Let me just do for you because it's you. Because it's you. If not, if it's another person, I will still sell it at 80. Eh? How do you see? It's not. They are not falling out. They are just.
Bros, I will pay you 30. I will pay you 30. Yes, I will pay you 30.
It's not. You said 30,000 cents. You don't want to add something.
No, no.
Bros,
Add anything.
you want to buy bike? Bros, if you are not buying well, let me call this guy. This guy is dressing well. He can even price it better. Eh?
I said I will pay you 30. You are calling a different person. Why? I'll go.
This boss dressed well. He can buy it. Come now. Come. Why are you like this? People with this kind of your hairstyle, they used to get angry so easily.
Bro, this bike is old. Sell this bike, let me pay you and go.
Huh?
Look at it now.
Give me 30. Give me 30. Let's go so that you give me money. Sharp. I need it.
Let's go to my house. Let's go to my house.
Okay. Bros, come. You know because I like you. This phone is for sale. Yes, it's for sale. Look at it. You know how much you give me on that one. It's a very strong phone. It has Twitter, it has radio, it has touch, everything. Okay. 2 SIM card.
I'll give you this one 25 and this one 30. That is 55,000. So let's go to my house. Let me give you the money. Hold your phone. Let's go to
In which country? Eh? You buy a motorcycle and phone 55,000. In which country? Is it because I have problem?
It's okay. Bros, I'll give you 60,000. For the 2 of them. Let's go.
30.
Yes.
Okay, you bring a 30.
Let's go.
Hey.
If you don't want to sell this bike, I'm going.
If I want to sell myself now, you price 30.
Let's go. I'll give you 60 for the 2 of them.
Hey.
Are you selling or not?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Ega Maka. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hey! You're going to pay for everything. Hey! Nne, you are in money. Thank you. Do you know that since you left this village? Hi! Fear! Poverty, I curse you. Do you know that since you left this village, I have not been able to buy myself 1 bottle? Not to talk of paying for all these things. Never no pomo. Never pomo. Hey! Is this pomo? How much are all this? Do you know what I spend in the city? Yeah? Babes, when I take you to the city, I'll take you to classy restaurants. Classy restaurants, hotels. Oh, have you eaten shrimps and prawns? Shawarma? Oh my goodness, you're so local. My darling, I will take you to somebody. Just 1 visit, 500,000, 1 per room.
Because what are you talking about?
I'm not joking. In Elana. I will take you to classy restaurants, classy hotels. Babe, when I package you, you step out. This is your body, your fine body. Hey! Everybody will run. I understand that you want to better my life, but it will not be that easy for me to leave my husband and travel. When I got married to him, I was hoping that things would get better because the father was a rich man. And up until today, things even got worse. I am in. It is for better, for worse.
But that's us.
You don't need to be where they talk too much. You need to be where there is money. Listen, money talks, bullshit works. I'm telling you, you needed to see what I did to Onoche today. I am sure he knows that I hate him with passion. Yes. My sister, you need to come to the city. Let me tush you. Let me pimp you up. Let me take care of you. I will not leave it. Ajulo. Do you know how expensive it is to buy all this kanda? How much is kanda? Hey, I am very, very happy you came back. So that Ajulo. Baby,
are you serious? Yes, uncle. All these things happened today. The same today.
Why would the boys of this village be behaving like that? If that motorcycle were to be there, I would have suggested you sell it so that we pay the bill from there.
That was what I wanted to do. But look at it now, I'm going straight to the police station and I will get that boy arrested.
This is unfortunate.
Onoche, what did you do to my son? Ibe, thank God you are here. Take a look at my son and see what Onoche did to him. Why?
Onoche, is this the boy?
That is the idiot that took my motorcycle. And if you don't provide it, I will lock you up. Igafia.
See, I didn't see your motorcycle. I meant to come motorcycle. I didn't touch it. Give me my money. Give me my money.
Did you hear him?
Ibe,
why would Onoche beat him up just because he saw him coming out from the bush with money? You have beaten more than you can chew, Onoche.
That is all right. This is a thing we can settle here. Onoche, this boy is not like that.
Who is not like that? Then where is my motorcycle? Why was he at the scene of the crime? Is that no uncle?
Onoche is looking for his motorcycle. Are you saying you did not see it?
Nah, I didn't see any bike. I was coming back from Community Bank to where I went to collect money. Chief Nkubego paid us with other boys for his building, including his brother Anyanwu, including I went to the bush to ease myself. I was counting the money happily. I saw Onoche, he started beating me and collect the whole money. On sitting Angie bike, bike 500 naira.
Ibe, tell me, will my son take the bike and sell it there, that same place? Is it possible?
Onoche.
Uncle.
I see some truth in this.
You see some truth? Yes. So who took the bike? Why was he at the scene of the crime?
Well, Ibe, I don't want to go further on this. My position is let Onoche get the money and give it. Else, I will lay a curse on him and his family.
Wham!
That's all right. You will not lay curse while I'm here. Is that correct? It's all right.
Lay a curse on me.
Onoche, go and get the money.
Let him lay a curse on me. I'm waiting for him.
No. Go and get the money. Go and get the money.
Oh, do something. A stitch in time saves 9.
Cross one.
Let's go. You will get the money. Cross. Ibe has assured me. Come, let's go.
This morning, Kimoto will idiot.
The love of money is the root of every evil. The lack of money is the source of many pains.
What is even wrong with you? I am telling you, Papa is in the police station and you're still not here in the village. Listen, I'm not going to bother you again. If you like, come. If you like, don't come.
My baby. Hey, my baby. Hey, my baby. Your baby don't come. My baby. My baby of the whole world. Why are you still worried? What is the problem?
I'm not happy. I don't know what else to do. Can you imagine? My father is going to sleep at the police station today, and I called my brother. He's there in the city telling me rubbish. I don't know what kind of brother I have.
I will not be alive, and your father will sleep in the police station. It will not happen. Nobody will have boyfriend like Anyanwu and will have problem. It's not going to happen. You cannot have me and have issues. Never. It's either I have issues or you don't have me. Or you have me, you don't have issues. Hold on. Take it. This is money. I have told you that Anyanwu is not that kind of problem you have and you have problem. Never.
Anyanwu, are you serious? Anyanwu, you're joking. Where did you get this money from?
This is 60,000 naira. Nobody questions source of money. You cannot question the source of money. Nobody will do it. This is 60,000 naira. Take it to Chief Alusiego. Yes. Pay him. Let him go and release your father at the police station.
Thank you so much. Anyanwu, thank you so much. Thank you so very much. Thank you. I love you. Thank you so much. Should I go and give him more? Are you coming with me?
Go and give him.
Okay.
When you're back, you let me know.
Okay.
Move it now.
Okay.
Move it. Anyanwu is the problem solver. I solve people's problem. If I love you, you will not have problem. Yeah, that is me.
What is all this now? Who could have taken my motorcycle? So that boy was innocent after all?
Yes, he was. Oyunku owed all the boys that worked for him at his building site. You heard of it?
Yes.
He said he would send their money to the community bank for them to be settled.
That's true because Anyanwu told me that before he left this morning. I don't even know if he has collected his own money.
He has been paid. I think we need to call him because we need money now to pay for Onyedo's hospital bill. And we also need money to send him to the teaching hospital.
That is what I don't know what we'll do. Because as it stands now, we have run out of options. The only option left is to go and borrow money. There is no more land to sell.
Oh, no, yeah. Okay, from who do we borrow? If not Chief, what is that his name? Alosiego. You know his conditions. How do we raise money to pay him back?
Good afternoon, sir.
Do you have my money?
Yes, I have it.
How much is there?
It's 60,000 naira, sir.
It's okay. Drop it there. Can go.
Sir, how about my father?
You come home, don't worry. Can go. Can go.
The thing is that I don't have any money. I don't have any money now, you see me now. I don't have any money. They didn't pay me.
What do you mean they didn't pay you? When I heard they paid all the boys that were there. Even that boy said he saw you there.
They didn't see me now. I went there. After some calculations, I found out that I was owing OGBUAGU some money. Yes. So he said he had to deduct his own money first. So after the deduction, I found out that I have nothing to go home with. So if I even borrow somebody transport money to come back to this village that has not even paid.
If you don't bring any money, then we should come and take Papa out from that hospital tomorrow morning. No.
There's nothing though.
Something.
I don't just say to Papa, you are the first son. You have to do something. Don't let Papa die.
Again today. I'm the first son. So everything should fall on my head. I should die for you. What use are you in this family anyway?
You have a wife. I don't have a wife. Yes. Papa sent you to school. I did not go to school. Can't you see that you're in about one north? You have an advantage in this family more than me. So it's now time for you to come and use that advantage and be useful to.
Anyang, please.
Please, I want to go and sleep.
You want to go and sleep, Anyang?
How
can you fool your brother?
He doesn't even know when to pour.
Chineke, what is it? You are drunk. What happened? You're drunk.
Did I drink with your mouth? Did I drink with your money? Did I? Get out! I don't. See your beloved wife.
Ajolo.
Jowagon.
Come on, shift. You want to break my hand for me?
Brother, why are you shouting at me? Am I your wife that got drunk? Go and shout at her now.
What is wrong with everybody in this house? God, why did you even bring me to this? Tell the family for this one now. A useless brother. A drunkard wife.
She's your wife now.
And a parrot.
What kind of rubbish is this?
Actually, what have I done to you now? Eh? Don't I try my best to give you the little that I can?
Onochi, you have done everything wrong by getting married to me. Ogene Bifenka, will I die in this house for you? Mama, I will not die. Go out and make money like your fellow men. If not, I am tired of this marriage. I want to leave. I want to. Ogene,
just like what? Where is this one coming from? Don't I do the much I can? Don't you know I love you?
Logini, love is not enough. I am too young to die in poverty. Go out there, hustle like your fellow men, make money and come back to the house. Love. Asalako. With this thing you're doing, there is no love for you at all.
Don't say they change when they change in this life. Okay, someday. Just wait to be calm more down.
I will not calm down anymore. Onochi, you've been saying this for a very long time. Calm down, all will be well. See,
if I got them, man.
But I'm not going to take that from you. You will go out there and make money like your fellow men. If not, I will not only leave this house, but I will also leave this marriage. I will not. In fact, get out. Go and make money. Jackie Matego. Get up. Hey, you want to try me? Go out and make money like your fellow men. Okay, Idari Binaka.
Etiko, no.
Go and make money. I want to be about. Go and make money.
Are you saying that I love this woman. She came up when this. I love this woman.
Angelo, what are you saying? I'm going to the city today. Hey, Nne, please, you have to give me time. All I need is time. I don't have anything with me. If I go with you to the city, how do I survive?
Babes, that's not a problem. Don't worry. Money is not the problem. See, if you go with me to the city this weekend, hi, if I package you well, babe, you will make money this weekend.
Is it a lie?
I'm telling you.
Are you serious?
Big money. Ego. I'm telling you.
Are you serious?
I'm not joking. See, I came to give my mother 200,000.
200,000. You came to give your mother 200,000.
What is 200,000? Thank you.
I'm so happy for you.
See, I'm not telling you. If you follow me this weekend, you'll make 500k. 500,000.
And I'm here suffering. Olochi has finished my life. Ever since I got married to that man, it's been suffering from one to another. But do not worry yourself. Just let me arrange myself. I'll get back to you. 500k. 500k.